Let's make some quick East dinner rolls. Let's back up this. This is the second video. Let's back up and tell you what we've already done. 1 cup of lukewarm water, 95 to 105 degrees. 2 tablespoons of sugar, or 95 to 110 degrees of water, lukewarm water, and 2 tablespoons of sugar in a cup. Let it sit there and do its thing. When you then add 1 tablespoon of instant yeast in that cup. Let all 3 of them ingredients sit there for 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, and then get in a different bowl, add 3 to 4 cups all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1/4 cup of soft butter, not melted, 1 egg, and then stir it all up. Then make a hole in the middle, and then put your yeast in it. Then stir all your flour up. You'll need 3 to 4 cups of flour. Then you'll need a 9 by 13 pan and 12 pieces of dough to bake at 400, 8 to 10 minutes. You let it rise for 10 minutes to 20 minutes with a towel over top of it in your bowl after you mix it up. And then you cut your dough, roll your balls into 12 to 16, and then you bake it at 15 to 20 minutes at 400. Here we go. I've already got the second part started because my first part cut off and I didn't know it. So I already loaded up the first part and it was upside down. So I hope you still can watch it. Okay, this is our dough. We're going to try to make 12 little balls, but we're only going to roll 6 out today because we're only going to bake 6 of them. Because we're going to put 6 in the freezer for Christmas. I hope these turns out. I ain't made this kind in a long time. This is a recipe I used to start out when I first started making food. So like I said, it's a long time since I've been making them. Now I made some dinner rolls like at Christmas. That was pretty good. Now you'll need 2 tablespoons of melted butter for the top of your things when they get out. Your rolls. I'll have to shape them better here in a minute. I'm going to let mine rise another 15 minutes after I shape them the way I want them. These are going to be awful little, it looks like, but we'll see. This is the only first time I've made this recipe in a long time. So we'll have to see. If they turn out, they turn out. If they don't, they don't. But I'm going to freeze the other one that's left. Others that's left. I'll let you know if they taste good or not after we eat them. I hope they're good. The last ones was good, but that was the first time I made them too. I'm letting my other ones rise. But this is just a trial run anyway. Next time they'll be bigger and the next time I make them, I'm just trying this and see if it works since I ain't done them in a long time. Okay, I'm going to put them somewhere and let them sit there and rise for 15 minutes and I'll be back. Okay, they rose. Now look at them. They doubled in size. Okay, we're going to put them in the oven at 400 and watch them for 15 to 20 minutes to make sure they get done. Here they are. Tanya's Home Cooking on YouTube. I hope you try these and make them. Thank you. Remember, use 1 cup of warm water, 195 to 110 degrees, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of instant yeast. And that's how we started it off. Then after that, in a bowl, we put 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1/4 cup of softened butter, stirred it all up. Then in the middle, we put an egg, stirred it up again, and then we made a hole in the middle, and then we put our yeast in it. And that's how we made these. Thanks for watching. Okay, we got our 2 tablespoons of butter. Make sure you rub it all over the top of it. You could pour melted butter on it, but I don't do that. I always just take a piece of butter and do it. Or you've got a brush you can brush it on. Either one. We're making acorn squash. We're going to bake it in the oven, 400 degrees, for 30 to 45 minutes. We got that from the food bank. I hope you make these recipes. And leave me a comment down below. I put rest of them in the freezer already. And the night before you bake them, take them out, put them in the refrigerator. Then hour before you bake them, let them rise. These was done at 15 minutes in my oven. They might take 20 in yours. Just keep an eye on them. Now to keep them warm till you get ready to eat them, just put a towel over them. Thanks for watching. Tanya's Home Cooking on YouTube. You can find me on TikTok. You can find me on Facebook at Tanya Marie Fugate. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to watch my husband's channel, Ronald Fugate or Ronnie Fugate, either one. Thanks for watching.